Simple steps to use the Lever LV40 wet and dry vacuum. Before use, always ensure the filter cone is inside lever machine for dry vacuuming. In contrast, remove the filter cone inside before using it for wet vacuuming. Secure the vacuum head with the side latches. Ensure the power cable is fastened to the cable tie to prevent cable damage during operation. Connect the hose firmly to the machine before operation. After use, simply press the release clip to disconnect the hose safely. Next, connect the bent tube to the hose. Attach the pipe set and twist to lock it securely in place. Connect the bent tube to the pipe set using the same locking method. The lever machine comes with a wet floor nozzle, a dry floor nozzle, a cone nozzle, and a round brush. These accessories are supplied as standard, and can be easily attached based on your cleaning requirements. For best performance, always ensure all connections are securely locked before using your lever machine. Lever, serving quality with passion.